Optimus Inc.'s Carbon Neutral Declaration. Introduction of a specialized thermal insulation paint. In recent years, natural disasters have been exponentially increasing around the world, and global warming is a massive threat to the ecosystem of the Earth. The main reason is said to be an increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Among them, the emission of carbon dioxide has the greatest impact. The 2015 Paris Agreement set carbon neutrality as a common global goal, aiming for zero greenhouse gas emissions to limit the global agreement to 1.5 degrees. Therefore, Optimus would like to propose this paint that contributes to the suppression of global warming. Optimus Inc.'s HydroThermo and DarkThermo hydrophilic heat shielding and heat insulating paints have high heat insulation performance and excellent anti-dust properties, and is an exterior paint that is required in the carbon neutral era. Special functions of HydroThermo and DarkThermo. 1. Heat shielding and insulation. Because it contains a special complex oxide-based heat shielding oxide pigment, it efficiently reflects the infrared region contained in sunlight and suppresses the rise in surface temperature. 2. Durability. HydroThermo and DarkThermo are hybrid paints that combine inorganic and organic. It contains colloidal silica, a substance in which water glass is nano-dispersed to form a highly durable and tough coating film. 3. Hydrophilic and anti-dust properties. It is a resin balloon, so it does not break, and by adding colloidal silica, it has a high hydrophilic function and can prevent stains and patches. Hydrophilicity is the opposite of water repellence. The surface becomes more friendly with water, and the power of rain has a self-cleaning effect. 4. Anti-mold. Because it contains anti-algae and anti-mold agents, 99.9% of mold, algae and moss do not occur, so it can be used in a variety of applications, from large-scale factories to housing exteriors. It is a sustainable exterior paint with excellent heat shielding and heat insulating properties that utilizes the technical capabilities of Optimus. Now, let's see how much heat shielding and insulation can actually work. When comparing the painted roof and the unpainted roof, the temperature difference is about 40 degrees centigrade. By assuming that HydroThermo was painted on the house, the roof temperature dropped by about 40 degrees centigrade. Indoor temperature drops by 3 to 8 degrees centigrade. Air conditioner load can be reduced by 10 to 50%. Now that electricity bills are soaring, it is also easy on the wallet. By applying Optimus paint onto the roof and exterior walls, you can block the heat of the sun and keep the indoor temperature from rising even on hot summer days. As a result, it is possible to reduce the use of the AC and the ambient temperature, and to save electricity. Reducing power consumption contributes to the reduction of CO2 emissions and ultimately helps reduce the problem of the heat island effect. This is the ecosystem brought by HydroThermo and DarkThermo. Along with the functionality, we also want to pay attention to the color variations. HydroThermo can be selected from 7 colors, mainly light colors, and DarkThermo 5 colors, mainly dark colors. In addition, both colors can be customized, and beautiful painted surfaces with excellent design can be expressed. Let's take a look at examples of an actual exterior design. While it has a beautiful finish, it is a paint that contributes to the global environment. Safe and secure, made in Japan. Hoei Sangyo Company Limited, in Sakai City, Osaka Prefecture, carefully manufactures. HydroThermo and DarkThermo are unique paints that can contribute to the sustainable future. While various efforts are being implemented for decarbonization around the world, Optimus paints will truly contribute to the coming carbon neutral era.